In this video, I'll show you how to connect and also how to print from your Mac computer to your Brother color laser printer. This one is the HL-L3220CDW, but it also works with the L3230CDW and many other models that are looking just like this one. So first step, we need to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network, the same that your Mac is currently connected. So let's go on the control panel over here. Go on this control panel, make sure the printer is turned on. I'm going to press once on this red cancel button just to make sure we start at the same place, okay? And now with the up or down arrow, we're going to scroll in this menu, okay? Press it a few times until you see network appearing on the display. Then press the OK button once. Make sure that you have WLAN Wi-Fi on the screen. Press OK once. Again, press OK. And it will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are around your printer. If it didn't find your Wi-Fi network, maybe you need to bring it closer to your router. Now use the up and down button to shuffle through the different Wi-Fis that are available. This is mine. So I'll press OK once you see your Wi-Fi network name. And now it's time to enter the password. It's a bit tricky. There's no keyboard. Okay, you only have these buttons over here. So with the up and down arrow, you're going to go from 0 to letters. If you want capital letters, just keep scrolling. All right, here you go. It changed to capital letters. And if you continue, it will switch to symbols. Here we go. You can also use the down arrow. Maybe it's quicker in your case, depending what your password is. So let's say the first character is 1, okay? Press OK, it will go to the next one, and like this you can type your password. I'll go ahead and do mine. Once you have finished entering your password, you're gonna press one more time on OK to confirm. It will ask you apply settings. Well, yes, so we're gonna press the top arrow to confirm. And now you're gonna see connecting. Just wait, it will take a few seconds and then you'll get connected, confirming that the printer is now fully connected to your Wi-Fi network. On your Mac, we're gonna go and click on the top left corner where you see the Apple logo. Select System Settings. In this menu, go down on the left side until you see Printers and Scanners, the last option. We need to add this printer to your Mac. How do you do this? Very easy. Go down to this right side page and click on Add Printer, Scanners or Fax. You may have to enter the username and password of the administrator of this Mac if you're not the administrator. Once you do this, you're going to have this small window open. The Brother printer should be in the list presented to you. Simply click on it until it's selected in blue. And then click on Add on the lower right side. Wait a few seconds. The printer will be added to your Mac and it will be available in this list. Here we go, Brother HL-L3220CDW series. Now all we have to do is to close this and open any file you wish to print. Let's say I want to print this image. Could be a PDF file as well. Click on the top left corner, File. Go down and select Print. Under Printer, in this small menu, select your Brother printer if it's not already the one selected. Then we have a few options that we can change. The number of pages, the range of how many pages you want to print. So let's say there's a document with 10 pages, but you just want the 2 first pages. Well, here in the range, you can select 1 to 2 in that case. You can select if you want to print in color or black and white, double-sided, stuff like that. Once you're ready to print, simply click the print button. And usually in less than 12 seconds, the print should come out of your printer from the top over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.